Hello, this is Li Zheng, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist. Today I'd like to talk about this little gland on the neck, which help us produce energy, make you energized and have good circulation, good motivation. So what if this little gland have some problems and then the body produce antibody to attack this thyroid gland? Then you get a disease called Hashimoto's thyroiditis. So your hormones from this gland initially is increasing. So you get all the symptoms of hyperthyroid condition. And then once the function of this thyroid is destroyed, and then you get hypothyroid. So it's the low function of the thyroid. And when that happens, you have low energy, you gain weight, you have poor circulation, and your joint aches, you look like 10 years older than you should. So we should keep this thyroid function as well as we can. And first thing, we need to balance your immune function. So if your immune function is out of balance, then it will produce antibody to attack this thyroid gland. So I mentioned about avoid spicy food, try to avoid too much nuts and alcohol. That's all helping to balance your immune function. But there are also acupressure points you can do to help clear up this internal heat inside of your body, so your immune function can be rebalanced, so it produces less autoantibody to attack your thyroid gland. So the first 2 points is aiming at balancing immune function. So if you put your hand, extend your hand, your thumb like this, you would say 2 tendons. One is outside and one is inside. And between these 2 tendons, you will have a point, and that's the large intestine point. And then there is another point at when you bend your elbow. At the end of this elbow crease is the large intestine 11, and then we use that to treat the digestive problems, clearing the inflammation. And so this is one point you can press, not only to improve your digestion, but also helping balancing your immune function. So we already locate this point between these 2 tendons. When you extend your thumb, then connect this point with this point at the end of the elbow line. You have a imaginary line, and then 3 finger breadth below this orange dots, there is another spot, and this spot called large intestine 10. That also has similar function as this. But when you press that, it's sore. So this muscle tend to be very, very tight when you play tennis, when you play golf. And so locally, it relieves the muscle tension here, helping the elbow pain. But systematically, on the large intestine line, it goes all the way to your internal organs, helping you improve the digestion and balancing immune function. So this is the 2 points you can press when you lie down or when you sit up. And then we have another 2 points locally for this little gland inside of your neck. So if you see your Adam's apple at the same level, and then you locate the muscle of connecting this sternocleidomastoides, this muscle, and there's an anterior edge, there's a posterior edge. So at the same level of Adam's apple, and just in front of the anterior border of this muscle, and this is stomach 9. It's another digestive point. If you press that, it's helping the thyroid function, helping the circulation to your thyroid, helping to reduce the inflammation in your thyroid. And then just at the same level, posterior to this muscle, And this is another, it's a large intestine point. And this point also, you see there's a stomach point, large intestine point, on the elbow, on the neck. That's all helping the thyroid function by improving your digestion and locally by clear up inflammation on your thyroid gland. So if we could do this 4 points on the neck and also on the elbow while your meditation, lying down position would be better than sitting up. That will helping balance your immune function and also helping clear up the inflammation in your thyroid and in your elbow area. If you need more information about thyroid, about blood pressure, about asthma, please go to my website, www.bostonchineseacupuncture.org. And I have many videos and articles to answer your specific question. Thank you.